Okay, so this is a video how to remove the rear right door handle on a CLS550 2007. Basically the screw is pretty far out. So we're using a T25 Torx in a small size extension. Well, it's a long extension, but it's a small one. I don't know the size on it. Okay, this is a video how to remove the door handle on a CLS550, the rear right door handle. So we're using a long bit because it's kind of difficult to get into it. So that's what we're using. This is a T20 Torx. We had an issue, the other ones were slightly shorter. They would not reach it all the way. So we end up using a little bit longer one. We're able to reach it. Okay, so once you unscrewed that T20 Torx on the back, it's pretty simple from here now. So this piece comes out pretty easy. It just slides up. That's where the T20 Torx is holding it from inside. Okay. So now you lift the handle and pull it towards the back of the car. And this one has a keyless go feature, so you're gonna have a plug you have to disconnect right there. We're gonna use a flathead. And this is what we unplugged. That plug is gonna pain to get to. I don't know, it doesn't come out for some reason. So I'm not sure if there's a way to pull it out. I don't know how you're gonna connect it back in there. Unless it's actually a stationary one. So when you put it back in, it should automatically pop in there. Just align it and it should be fine.